I said that 16 weeks ago, right? Does it seem like 16 weeks?
No.
Does it seem more like 85 weeks? Okay. There are 4 things that can make you sick. I lied. But let's talk about the first 3 things. Let's go in order of largest to smallest. What's the largest thing that can make you sick?
Eukaryotes.
Eukaryotes. Give me an example. What?
Giardia.
Parasites, Giardia, worms, right? What's the next smallest thing that can make you sick?
Prokaryotes.
Prokaryotes. What's another name for prokaryotes?
Bacteria.
Good. If you didn't come up with bacteria, I was going to take my own life by jumping out the window. It's higher off the ground than you think. And I'm short. What's the smallest thing that can make you sick? Viruses. Viruses are considered living, right?
No.
So, there's a 4th thing. But I don't call it an organism. This 4th thing, they're called prions. Anybody in this class ever heard of them before?
No.
But these aren't organisms. A prion is just a protein molecule. It's a protein that's folded. I shouldn't say molecule. It's a folded protein.
Some cannibalism.
Potentially. But the mad cow disease would be Holsteinism. I'm kidding. That's the name for cows eating cows.
Okay.
It was a joke, and you can laugh if you wanted to at it. So these prions, which are these spongiform, it causes a spongiform encephalopathy or encephalitis. There are 2 of them. Transmissible spongiform encephalopathy or bovine spongiform encephalopathy. So again, we're talking about mad cow disease. So again, these are not organisms. Because these folded pieces of protein, they don't replicate. They have no way of replicating. They couldn't even get into a host cell and get the host cell to replicate. They don't metabolize. They don't do anything. So not only are they not living, they're not even considered an organism. They don't have any genetic material. You see, at least there is an argument for viruses being an organism because it contains genetic material. But proteinaceous molecules don't even have genetic material.
So how does it disrupt the human cell?
So here's the problem. What will happen is an organism has a gene that will make these things. Maybe that organism will die. When that organism dies, if its brain tissue contaminates any other tissue, remember the yellow line in the slaughterhouse? We're going to try to keep the brains and the guts over here and the nice fillet and ribeyes over here, right? Big fillet. The idea here is that if any of the brain tissue gets on any of the meat, especially meat that's going to be ground up, it's not that these prions are organisms that are invading the body. It's that you've accidentally eaten these proteinaceous molecules, and now potentially you'll end up becoming a microbiology instructor. So the idea with, let's see. So you need to know these 2 terms. Transmissible spongiform encephalopathy, which you find in humans. Very, very rare. I've never seen it.